Welcome to day 2 of the big spring clean sale at Tonic Studios USA, where you can find new bundles at huge discounts added every day until the 1st of June. First up on day 2, we have an exquisite Speciality paper bundle that includes 40 A4 sheets in 8 different colours, patterns and textures. At 75% off its $29.92 retail price, you can make your next project stand out from the crowd for a truly exceptional price of $9.98. We have a pollen bundle next at a blooming brilliant 70% off. Create realistic florals that are ahead of the field for just $10.78. Grow your tool collection next with a flower making essentials bundle including craft knife, spare blades, an embossing tool and deluxe adhesive to sculpt and nurture your florals for just $9.98. Create flourishing realistic flowers with this 3-set die bundle. Combine with the floral tool selection and pollen bundles to create a gorgeous garden of creations available at a special 75% off to $11.24. Finally, elegantly decorate your creations with Nuvo drops using our dot and drop die sets. These sets guide your embellishment and intricate designs to make stunning drop motifs available at a super 75% off to $7.99. These are all limited edition bundles, and once they're gone, so be sure to check back every day to see if something you've had your eye on arrives at a bargain price this spring.